Lunges are one of the greatest ways to build full body strength, but you don't want to be the heaviest thing that you lift. So whenever you master the bodyweight lunge, here's 3 ways to make them better. Number 1 is the suitcase lunge, is whenever we get one dumbbell in one hand, and then we're going to work on our lunges. This loads one side of the body, so it's a great unilateral movement. What we're aiming to do here is keep the torso nice and tall, tap the back knee down gently, the shin stays close to vertical, and we make sure we're not swinging that dumbbell the whole time as well. We want to make sure as well that the hips are going in line as we go down, and we're not trying to shoot our hips out down to the side or letting the knees cave in. So it's great for the hips and your overall stability, and works your core as well because you're resisting that weight pulling you down to the side the whole time. So absolutely fantastic to build out or to get rid of any imbalances that you may have. A great starting rep scheme for this is to do 10 alternating lunges on one arm, and then when you've done 10, you swap arms and you do another 10 reps, making 20 lunges in total. Over time, as your grip improves, you'll be able to increase the weight you're using, making it even more challenging. Number 2 is the goblet lunge, and that is when we hold the weight in front of us. So now we're trying to resist the weight pulling us down forwards as we lunge. Most of the same things apply. We're still looking to have a relatively vertical shin. We're tapping the knee down gently. We're making sure the hips aren't shooting out to the side as well. And we're kind of trying to keep that torso up nice and tall. A great starting point for this is doing 3 sets of 10 lunges, nice and heavy. So make sure that you feel like you need to take a break in between your sets. Our last variation is our most challenging whenever we get the weight overhead. So we're looking to have everything stacked in a nice straight line here. So you notice there's a nice straight line from Jenni's hand to the elbow, to the shoulder, to the spine. So we're not looking to hold the weight in front of us. And as well, on the way back up, we need to make sure we're pressing up the whole time and not bending that elbow. So this works the core in a whole other way as well. Still working on the hip stability too. The foot's haven't stabilized more. This is a much more challenging variation. It's absolutely awesome. I love it. So great starting scheme for this is to do 3 sets of 10 alternating lunges. And then when you've done 10, you swap arms and you repeat on the other side. Great one to build up over time and go heavier with. Try to fit 2 or 3 of these lunge variations into your training every week. And if you want to find out how to slot these exercises into workouts, make sure to check out our follow-along program, Stability Builder.